I was born in America. I love this country. I can't believe that our government would suppress the free market innovation demonstrated by blockchain and cryptocurrency.
This is a war between centralization and decentralization.
Bitcoin and blockchain is the most important technology I will ever see in my life.
We're about to launch Dragonchain ICO.
You're looking at the numbers and you're thinking, oh my gosh, is this possible? This is so exciting. He's such a visionary. I'm always thinking of the worst things that could happen, and I'm always preparing for that.
We've made it clear what the law is. If you are promoting securities, you're taking on securities law liability.
You're sounding a warning bell for people. Maybe they better pay a little closer attention to the law, or the SEC is going to pay closer attention to them.
Yeah.
We received an official notice from the SEC that Dragonchain is under investigation.
We're under investigation by the SEC. There were days where we had 100 lawyers at a law firm reviewing documents. They've checked and checked and checked, and now they're making us spend $6 to $10 million.
With Dragonchain, we're at this moment, we're spending more on legal than any other resource combined.
You've got big, powerful incumbents that are spending lots of money to influence regulators to kill the industry.
We're building new technology to help the world, and we're being treated like criminals.
People are taking their time on purpose to protect the bigger investment interests that want to keep the layman's out because they don't want everybody to have the same power.
That's really what's holding back innovation in the United States.
They actually do shut us down. They're screwing the very people that they're supposed to be protecting.
It's an open source technology. Everyone stands to benefit from it, and that's why you're seeing nations like China leaning in so heavily.
The U.S. was leading in patent applications into the blockchain ecosystem, and China is actually surpassing the United States on patent applications filed on blockchain-related innovations.
We could be so much farther along in the game if the government let us.
These major companies with very solid projects, fantastic white papers, amazing all-star teams are saying we don't want any part of the United States because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.
The rest of the world is going to leave America behind.
Because you cannot take 7.5 billion people and take away the dream from them and think that nothing's going to happen.
So it feels like we're supposed to fight this battle with the SEC.
But my biggest fear is the SEC coming down and shutting Dragonchain down.
And there's no stopping this technology, and everybody knows that. We need to stand together to defend the right to build the America that we want.
This is the modern day industrial revolution, or the modern day version of the internet, but it's about 10 times bigger than the internet.
This time the revolution is about all the money in the world.
We're seeing a revolution of open source money. We're going to see the largest wealth transfer in human history.
The decks are being reshuffled. It'll make and break nations.
This is a call to action for all Americans to unite and defend what's best for America and her future. This is America, and we will fight for our freedom to defend what we've built.